Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's well. Just going to do our quick morning brief. Just for the second time going. Hello, Jigs. Nice to see you on, buddy. Hello, everybody. Hello.
Morning.
Alrighty. What have we got happening here today? So, we just had industrial production out in Germany. No big deal. Foreign currency reserves coming up in 60 minutes. Now, that can have a bit of movement in the Swissy, so if anybody's going hard on that, just be mindful of it. Nothing much is going to really throw us out of session until tonight. So if you're on New York, be careful of unemployment claims. And of course, tomorrow's NFP. So you've got to be a little bit careful of that. Looks like it should be fairly easy going this session. So that's great. Phase 2 of our little checklist. Let's have a look and see what's going on with the US dollar. Oh, my chart's not working here. Give me 1 second. Any gaps that anyone can see?
We had a gap. It has been filled, so nothing to worry about the gap on Dixie.
Lovely. All right, so now we've just got to check out risk sentiment. So what's going on? We've got a fairly risk-offy session throughout Asia, which is pretty much over bloody due for it. We've just had the DAX open up. That's off 0.5%. US 30 is relatively flat line. Same with S&P and NASDAQ. So generally, you'd have to give it to the risk-off crowd at the moment, but we'll see. We've just opened. It might come back a little bit stronger. For anybody that's interested, of course, we're doing our giveaway tomorrow for our free FundedNext account. So look forward to that. We have a list of all you guys who are all in the draw, obviously. And for those who've been asking, we did pass that phase 1 of the challenge. So, Peppy, if you could throw that one up for us.
Phase 1 results coming.
We'll check it out there as well. So that should be rather interesting. All right. That's it. That's my opening blurb. Can we see anything that we like, anybody? Yeah, thanks, Peppy.
Yeah, not at the minute. Swissy had a weird candle, but just because of the news, probably.
Yeah, well, the euro just did a huge wick. So DAX is kind of opening up fairly weak, actually. It's weakening into the session. That Kaz Mahendron. That caddy was a nice setup.
Yes, sir, I am.
Cad lover.
He does love the cad.
He does.
Aussie was.
Loves his cad.
Took a nice little screamer on the Aussie today. Anybody shorted up on the Aussie during Asia?
Yeah.
Missed it, unfortunately.
I'll just post it because it was lovely. And the best part of it was always at the beach when I was making it.
Jesus.
All right, Chen's got into it. Nice one, buddy. Congrats. I'm assuming it was right around here. It was a dreamy day. It was lovely. Straight down. Beautiful. Let's hope we just get 1 or 2 of those sessions tonight. It'd be very nice. Octavius, if you've got 20 minutes on the weekend, if you're free, if you're not, I'll fully get it. Maybe we could have a quick catch up too, buddy. Because I've
definitely
done some stuff, man. I just didn't want you to think I'd forgotten.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, mate. Yeah, I know you're busy. Whenever you have time, it's no rush anyway.
Yeah, cool, man.
No worries. I'll be working, but we'll sort something out.
Oh, mate, I'll just work around your schedule. We're mates. Just let us know when you're free. Just
Brilliant.
Chat anyway, bud.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, don't worry about times. If you're free and I'm free, we'll do it.
Cool, brilliant. Alright, Aussie's pushing.
Straight to the Tokyo fix. Absolutely. Was a good one. Caddy's still not at the Tokyo fix. That might come down for a retest if we get a roll on. I want to see oil start to spike. Oil's been epoxy day. Look at that for shocking range. And it got smashed last night. What's the story? You wouldn't think there was any geopolitical issues or anything going on, would you? Casanova, how are you, buddy?
Hey, mate, how you doing?
I'm very well.
I'm really tired because of the medication.
You'll be right.
Still on med.
All right. Possible setup here on the caddy. What do you think, Mahendra? It's your baby.
Got a minute still. It's on the fix.
Couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes on the fix. What do you reckon?
Mahendra?
He's probably on mute.
We got rundown.
Or he's on trade.
Straight to the fix off the top ropes. Well, if Mahendra says no, we just can't go. He is the CAD specialist.
I'm gonna stick a nail in the coffin a little bit here and say, look where AU's bouncing off right now. Complete round number.
Yeah.
So,
I agree. It's got to, if it pushes through that round number, the next port of call for the caddy is what? About 5 pips down, but then if it wants to go all the way to its fix, it's a 10 pip move. So
if it says strong
want to
finish
see oil.
here, yeah, and oil as well, yeah. Strong finish on AU, oil.
Oil and copper pushing up would be fantastic. And then a break of this candle here. But who knows? We haven't got the big dog Mahendra calling it, so.
Yep.
Do you not like it, Mahendra?
To be honest, in the present situation, as per the indices, so for me, is bit of a range. I'm not clear to take the trades at the moment because if you see the gold is pushing up, but the oil in the same range from the last like 4 to 5 hours, it's in the same range.
Gold's going to come off, I reckon, just between us.
Yep.
You got it up 3.6%. You got the 2-year Treasury note off 5.4 and silver down. So that's defying gravity at the moment.
Yep. So
that's a side note. Sorry, buddy.
Yep. At the same time, we have a gap in the copper. I know we didn't consider the gap. At the same time, it's in the same range. Maybe you can expect another 10 to 15 minutes from the break.
Okay, cool. All right, well, we'll take that on board. Wait for that.
This is the news. This is the weather news from India.
Well, we'll just sit on it then.
Hendrik's having audio issues, which we all have on this platform from time to time. You got to go into the user settings.
Yeah, the problem with Discord is it will change your user settings whenever you change any form of sound.
I'm just going to type user settings, Hendrix. Demal's already long the Australian dollar.
Nice.
Should have hedged our bets and taken the short on CAD then.
Yeah. UCAD, come on, let's go. Just need oil to kick up. No, oil's kicked down. That makes me a bit more suspect on it. And stocks are pushing now too. I think old Kaiser's got a lot of calls coming in today.
Yeah, he did mention it.
Yeah.
Busy, man.
He is busy being the hottest real estate agent in Singapore. He should have his own reality show.
Should.
Right, CAD to fix.
Those
CAD's
property shows are good.
Yeah, they are. I reckon Kaiser would be a dead ringer for it. Come on, Caddy. One pip away from our first area where I thought she'd go.
Hey, you ignored the round, so that was good.
Yep. Well, the euro and the pound are struggling to get to their fixes. So maybe the Aussie's going to sit there and wait till the euro decides to go for it and launch. All right. What do we got here? Pound short. I don't know if I love that one.
Morning, Mr. Pips. Morning, Red Beer.
Hey, guys. What's
Morning.
happening? Let's go, Caddy. Lovely. That's where we thought it was going to go to first. We should reject a little bit off here. Hopefully it'll push down. Take out the 13590. Still another 5 pips off, but I want to see the euro and the pound start pushing a bit harder. And I also want to see oil start pumping. And it's not. Like that.
Leading towards a bit of a turn backwards. Let's hope not.
Going to stall out here, the caddy.
See it sideways. Do some sideways movement.
Anyone in Susie?
No,
No,
I didn't say I missed this Swissie. You know my feelings about this Swissie. Oh, Medallion's short the Swissy. Good work, buddy.
Good work, buddy. There is a fix. It's about to cross.
Excellent work, Medallion. How's Superbot going, Casanova?
Oh, well, I think he did like $500 yesterday, 0.5%.
Good stuff.
Sorry, I'm a bit quiet, guys. I'm just a bit fucked up on the meds, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, buddy. They seem like they've got you full of the good stuff after that injury. So unless you got some jokes or something to tell, you could just chill out tonight.
Yeah, honestly, it's just got me just so fucked up, bro. They put me on amitriptyline. I feel like a zombie right now.
You sound like it, buddy. So be careful on your screen, all right? Don't do any silly trading because you might sit there and
Don't
forget
worry.
you've done it and wake up tomorrow and go, ooh.
Trader regret. What did I do?
My bad, guys. I'm sorry.
I full
No,
No, man. Of course not, man. If you got to have it, the doctor's giving it to you. There's a reason for it. I appreciate you being on here in the state you're in. So thanks, mate. But just relax. It's all under control.
And don't mind us. We'll just make you the butt of the jokes all night. But that's just us.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
You won't get the joke for 20 minutes, but eventually. All right, Aussie, come on, get to your fix. You know you want to. Pound just took out its fix. Euro's got to have to get to its fix now, you'd think, wouldn't you?
Well,
let's
all
go.
averages say yes. So let's go with
Oh,
yes.
those Swissies might be trying to cockblock it. You don't know.
Did just bounce off a book very hard with 30 seconds left in its candle.
Yeah.
However, CAD looks like it might break its bottom, which is where we want that to go.
Yeah, we're 3 pips away from where we thought that was going to get to, so that would be lovely. For anyone new to the channel, if you want to learn more about what we do, links in the description. Jump on our Discord server, completely free, and these streams will make a lot more sense to you as to what we're all talking about.
We still have new people coming in, so we have to be careful. We kind of just talk at the upper echelon. So if anyone has questions, definitely reach out and ask, because sometimes we don't know you're new here, so just let us know.
Yeah, most of the guys that have been with us have been here for ages, so we just more trade as a group now rather than answer questions, but we're more than happy to. ZBT, how are you, brother?
Oh, welcome back. I was actually just thinking we hadn't seen him in a while.
I was just talking to Alex about you, ZBT. PM me, buddy, if you're free. Wants to make sure you're happy. And same with Dallas. He also wants to make sure you're happy.
We strive to please our clients.
Well, we don't do anything with Australian clients.
Well,
they just call, so but they just sit there and say, "Hey, you reckon ZBT and Dallas want to catch up?" I'm like, "Probably, man. You got their phone numbers. Call them."
We just relay. Yeah, that's it. We have relays. That's all.
No, Dallas, PM me, man. They want to give you a special discount on your comms and stuff. That's my point, which I can't offer, but they most certainly can. And that's why they want to. But they like to check with me first. I'm like, Dallas, won't care, mate. Just call him. Okay, Chen's is speaking a foreign language. But no clue there. Yeah, they called the other day. Doesn't surprise me. Doesn't surprise me. Quick reminder for anybody else that's just jumped on, just for the last time in the session, we are live on YouTube tonight. So before you reveal any of your deep, dark personal secrets, it is getting broadcast. All right. Come on, Euro. Come on, Caddy. You know where you want to go.
Swissy throwing pin bars out.
Yep. You got a fix just below there, medallion. Be nice if the euro bust through this 700. Aussie fix just got taken to the pip, rejected. Euro just got taken out, lovely. And you got the Swissy and the CAD to complete the sweeps. Let's go. Don't make fools of us.
Just for those on the stream too, looks like my Euro fix, London fix is not showing on the chart, so I do apologise for that, but that's what Cam was just referencing to where Aussie is right at the moment.
No, I was referencing Hong Kong. Tokyo fix, not London.
Well, then I'm in big trouble because I also haven't set the offsets for those correctly.
Oh, that's cool. To be fair, we don't use this account. It's
no,
the first time on it. Because it's phase 2, so you got to give you a bit of leeway. But just throw in the offset for the
Tokyo.
Yeah, for the Tokyo, because that's just been a really good demonstration of some of the things we do here. So Aussie broken fixed, Euro broken fixed, pounds broken fixed. Swissy, come on. You know you want to get there.
You for 6.
Kaiser, good trade. Thanks for telling everybody about it once again.
Story of my life.
You're just too good. What language are you talking on the chat, brother?
Mandarin. Chinese.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yep.
Do I sound like I'm very uncultured by asking that question?
Very good.
I didn't know either, so thank you for informing us.
Out of the Aussie 5.
Congrats. Nice work. All right. Euro's pushing through now. Should take the others to where they need to go. Five pips on Aussie, BE on Swissy. Lucky buddy. Better than a lot. Should still get down there, you'd think.
Yeah, always got to take break evens when you can. Take them as a win.
Yeah, well, there's no real money. No money left in it now. US 30 straight up to the fix on open. That was good. I think that gives us the 100% strike rate this week. In the interest of transparency, because we were streaming, I didn't take it because I didn't think to.
Too many other things going on.
Too many other things happening, but I just saw that it hit just then, so that would have been a nice one. Okay, Mac. Every time Max loses, we get great setups.
Don't get off my cat.
Don't be a dick for a pip.
Exactly.
Ten more pips to complete my day.
All right, well, I think you should call the next one, Kaiser. Given you're in stealth mode.
Stealth mode is better.
I have got a call, so I'm going to let you guys chat for a bit if that's cool. Good work, Dallas. I'll be back in a flash.
Easy, easy. Hey, you want a big upward march? Euro going up, the pound also going up, so that's interesting to see. And
Yeah, I thought Pound would give us a setup, but he didn't.
pound didn't know. Was gonna try to, but didn't return back here at all.
It's set up on Swissy.
Yeah, Swissy did set up, but we're already kind of. Actually, that was probably a good setup there, but you're on a book, so it did make it a little bit of a tricky entry.
With the others pushing like they're doing now.
UJ's got a setup right now if you actually want to take that.
Not the retard.
YouTube live.
Yeah, Swissy has several books just in front of it, so.
Yeah, it's got super clean. But as technical, that is a setup there, yeah. But we generally don't try and sell into books if they haven't broken.
You're pushed.
Oh, that CAD trade, that was juicy.
Nice one. Played out beautifully.
Yep. Red B says looks
Well, that was an easy session.
Swiss. So what are we looking at? We're looking at the bottoms on Swiss at the moment.
Have you got the fixtures on the chart, Pepe?
I do, but it looks like they're not at the right time frames, but they are on charts, yes. Currently.
So then that would mean they're just lines.
That's right, they're not really fixes, are they?
For anyone that's curious and new to the stream, we're looking at the 255 candle on a standard broker GMT +2, is it at the moment?
Yeah, GMT.
So those are the fixtures. Yep. So for those watching along, we just took out the fixes on every pair, which is very, very common around this time of day. That coupled with our standard setups is generally what we do. Sometimes there's nothing to trade, and some days it's just a walk in the park. All right, Euro possible setup. Continuation on here. Do another quick check of news, make sure, because I'm getting old. Our memory's not as good. French trade balance out in 15 minutes or 13 minutes, so see what happens there. Maybe that's the cause of the underperformance here on the Euro.
How were your cutlets?
Sorry?
How was your cutlets?
Oh, my cutlets were delicious, buddy. You're going to think I'm a walking heart attack, but guess what I'm having tonight? Another big steak. Oh, dear.
It's the Aussie way.
Good for you.
Yes. Straight from cow to hot plate.
It's all the processed stuff that brings you unstuck. For you using TradingView and Jonas, Jonas PFP indicator, you see there's a new version. Okay, Hendrik, just for those who are watching along and use TradingView, for those using TradingView and Jonas PFP indicator, there's a new version with a London Tokyo fix. What? Who's Jonas? Is Jonas ripping us off? Oh, Jonas was the manufacturer who made the...
Yeah,
gotcha.
Made the TeamViewer one.
Yeah, Jonas is definitely ripping us off. Well, we're free anyway, so good luck to you, Jonas. Enjoy your free coffees, my friend. Feel free to post the link if you've got it, Hendrik, because I'm only joking. Jonas is a very good programmer. Haven't heard much of Jonas. Haven't heard much back from T either.
No, I went silent.
What do you... T's gone radio silent.
Not to be confused with silent T in here, though.
No. Silent T's cool.
Not silent T. Just T has gone silent.
T's throwing out some weirdo calls and then going silent. I don't like that. Maybe we'll stick Kaiser on him. Kaiser, can you let me know next time you're in a bad mood, please, buddy?
Stick it on him.
Now's a good time.
Now's a good Anytime's a good time to be in a mean mood.
I'm handing over administrative responsibilities on T to Kaiser. I'll leave it with you, buddy.
Yeah. You'll get removed by the end of the day.
F's on today, Mr. Pips. He's had some...
He'll answer in about 3.5 seconds when he catches on to the point you're asking him.
Look, just so everybody know, F's had a doctor's appointment, so he's on some medication. And being the soldier that he is, he thought he'd come onto the stream, but he's quiet today.
Basically, he's in extreme pain and still here for you all. So send him some love.
Yeah, I'm here, guys. Don't worry.
All right, Hendrik just posted the link for anybody that wants it in the chat. He's a pretty good indicator. So I've been told, but I don't really use TradingView.
Yep, we never used the TradingView, so.
All right, getting some more setups here, guys. What do we think?
Keep looking. Yep. Just having a look now. So actually, CAD's going to try and give us another setup.
Just be a bit mindful of the euro. You do have a little bit of news in 9 minutes. Shouldn't be too dramatic, but could cause it to play up a tiny bit. Any London fixes we need to be mindful of? Let's have a quick scan. Okay, Aussie did a fair, or yeah, Aussie did a bit of business there. Maybe. Yeah, they look like they cleared them both out during New York. Okay, Medallion. Closing for now, just avoiding the winnings today. Closing too early every time. I'll leave it there for a 0.4% profit for the day. Sit and watch for a while and off to work. Well, you're never going to go broke making 0.4% profit a day, buddy. So very well done that you've anticipated that your timing is a little off, because sometimes it just is. It happens to everybody. But even still, if you made 0.4% profit, congrats, buddy. Very happy for you.
It's definitely the one thing most professional people that the higher end of the sport talk about, and it's all about timing. As soon as that goes, that they're no longer at the top of their sport. So I don't think that's any different to trading, especially if you take it seriously and take it as a professional sport as such. Yeah, timing's definitely everything.
And on the trading floor, if your timing's out, your risk manager pulls you off the floor and says, go and take the day off.
Yeah.
And that just happens to everybody. Like, I've never met a trader who hasn't been on a floor that hasn't been told to chill out for the day.
So many outside influences all the time, and it really affects the way you see charts on a daily basis.
All right, Caddy's a setup, but it's a bit long in the tooth. Aussie's a setup, again, long in the tooth. Kaiser, what do you think? Mahendra, what do you guys reckon?
If you're not in anything, don't get in anything now.
I've got my CAD sell ready. See how we go.
Yeah, they just seem like they've extended a long way. Is the only concern.
I have a sneaky B, so if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it's gone.
Stocks are flat now, so yeah, I'm not loving it personally. Kansas out of the GU. Euro and pound are pumping. Copper is at the top of a range, which might be making the Aussie stall a little bit. Copper needs to really push a little bit here. Hey, Pepe, I've just heard we've got the wrong discount in the chat for our FundedNext discounts. They're 7.5. I think we've got them listed as 5.
I changed
But the
it.
same link's now been updated.
Hang on, I
Oh, did you? Sorry, man. I must have missed it.
No, 7.5 today. It was previous. Today's got the right one in the description. Today's
Oh, thank you.
live. Yep. But we did miss that
Also,
the other day.
That's all good. Any of the Australian contingent on here, I have got to ask once again because now I'm being harassed. If anybody wants free scuba diving lessons and free scuba excursions from Sydney, near beautiful Bondi Beach, let me know. FundedNext want to give it away to a few of you guys. So just PM me if you're interested. Don't worry about the sharks. Got to harden up a little bit.
Don't worry about sharks, worry about Mac.
That's it.
Alright, I'm done for the day.
20
1%.
pips.
Congrats, buddy. Easy peasy.
For those new people on the stream too, 20 pips is our daily target generally. What we try and reach for in a day. 20 pips.
It's what we go
keeps
for.
the work away, is what we say.
But sometimes the market just sucks ass. It's a true phenomenon. So sometimes we don't always get there. Just being upfront and transparent. How do we analyze that? We look at broader market conditions. And if it's all choppy, we can generally pick that fairly quick, in which case your 20 pips might take you a lot longer to get. But in a smooth running market, you should be able to bang out 20 pips. What are we talking about? Everybody on here's a regular.
Live. I was more talking about anybody that watches it live.
Oh, sorry. Very good point. Very good point.
Today, yep. We're going to sound really silly to our regulars, but it's because we're live, guys.
You sound like, we all sound like dickheads to the regulars.
Yeah, I know. What are you explaining this crap for? And you'll notice us Aussies have to rein in the language a little bit more. It's hard for us, but we try our best.
All right, news out in 53 seconds. Careful on the euro. Shouldn't be a big mover, but hey, you never know. Stocks are starting to not believe the party. So this move is now starting to be a bit weird looking at the strength of equities. So commods are sort of half-assing it. Equities, yeah, a little bit of a push-up, but nothing too dramatic. So I wouldn't be surprised if we start to get a little bit of weakness creep into the market. So when I mean that, maybe a bit of a reversal on the Aussie, the pound, the euro, the UCAD, maybe the Swissy. That being said, we're going to wait for confirmation. We're not just going to try and catch reversals. Otherwise, you can go broke very fast. But the market is starting to look a little bit out of whack with the risk sentiment of the entire market. So we'll see. Time will tell.
Haven't seen G like this for a while.
No, G is just barnstorming. All right, news just came out. As expected, didn't do a great deal to the market.
Really
it's good to have it out of the way.
That now puts us 15 minutes to London Open. So let's see if we're going to have a little bit of a slowdown before London, or if things are going to continue.
Well, you're going to want to see a bit more strength coming into equities, I reckon, for this to continue. It's all driven off the back of that little push up on the US. Now, the US is the most important equity markets, but they won't totally ignore Europe's softness. Quick question, why did you enter the CAD so early? That's an easy one. We had a little structural setup. If you come back to, what candle was it? Candle 910 on a standard GMT2 time frame. And if you come down to the exact point being 13590, that was the Tokyo fix. At the time, the Australian dollar had hit its fix. The pound had hit its fix, the euro has hit its fix. I think the Swissy was close to hitting its fix. So, from a pure probability perspective, we also had oil starting to push up. There was very little chance it wasn't going to come down and take out its fix like every other pair. So, structural setup in terms of what we teach as an entry point, coupled with a mispricing of everything. It was a pretty good bet that the cab was going to go down and clear its fix. So I hope that answered your question, Max. Pound is relentless chance. Have we missed any news or anything on the pound? It's a boomer of a move.
Euro's following it though, so and so's AU.
Yeah.
So it's kind of all three of them.
Just pumped another 9 from my exit. Sick.
CAD's technically setting up again, although it is very overextended. So for me, I want to see a bit more either strength in equities, or I want to see these pull back a bit, because I just feel they're a bit overrun for the background of the entire market. That's my personal view.
Try and go for another run now before it pulls back a bit,
Yeah. Plus people take a bit of risk off the table coming into open in 12 minutes. Or it could just keep going and make me look like a complete numbskull. That tends to happen from time to time. For any of our Australian traders who do Asia, saw the ASX got to just 1 pip from its fix. However, big miss on its fix yesterday. That's a very bullish thing. So maybe the ASX is going to join the party and go for another mega run tomorrow. You never know. All right, Caddy is now stalling a bit. That should cock block the Australian dollar a little bit. Someone's speaker's going off.
Me, sorry, looking at cats.
You're right, but you're looking at cats. Yeah, Frankfurt Open's been much better for us than London this week, Hendrik. That's the one thing we can't pick. We don't know which session's going to make it nice and easy for us. Anyone comes up with an indicator for that, you'll never work another day in your life.
Come on, man. You buy the most expensive 256 million penthouse in New York. No problem.
Absolutely. I have tried to build it, but I haven't come close.
I'll be satisfied with 20 in my life.
What did you manage to figure out about the Superbot, Cameron?
Oh, we're going to talk to you guys about it off stream.
Alright, gotcha.
So I'm going to plead the fifth. But
I don't think I'll be able to make it to the rest of the stream. I'm not going to lie. I feel like crap.
You sound like crap, brother. Mate, you take the rest of the day off.
I think it's time to leave, dude. Go have a lay down.
Yeah, excuse me, guys. I'm sorry about that, bro. I feel like I'm about to slouch and sleep.
Sounds like
Listen, Casanova, before you go, all you need to remember is this is on stream, so tomorrow when you clear headed, watch it.
Oh no! Well, I'm looking forward to that one.
It's going to be so good to watch back.
Oh dear. It's like when you're at the pub and then you're trying to pick up a girl and it's like, no, I've been drinking, I've only had two.
Right, excuse me guys, but I'll try and text as much as possible and keep in track. But
You're right,
it's
buddy.
just
Relax.
physiotherapy, you know.
See you soon, man.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
See you soon, guys. I'll be
See you,
back
buddy.
tomorrow. Bye.
Cool. New York was a bit weird yesterday, according to Hendrik. I expected EU to continue up, considering the bad news on employment and the relatively strong IG. Expected the EU to continue up. Okay. All right, Hendrik, I'm going to have to look at the news now, buddy, because to be honest with you, it's the session that I haven't traded in years. What happened with the news? Okay. Oh, yeah. Shows the news. Did I miss something? Was there a big miss on something? Or am I looking at the wrong day? It's entirely possible. I'm not the best man to ask because, seriously, mate, at that time of night, I'm very far away from the charts.
Non-farm. Would have been a Friday then.
No. This was the previous one. Non-farms
Oh.
tomorrow. This was the ADP. Oh, yes, I suppose it was a bit off forecast, wasn't it? The thing is, even non-farm payrolls nowadays doesn't seem to have the impact that it did just a year ago. I mean, you remember non-farm payrolls was like people would run special streams for it just to watch the freaky price action, but now it's more the CPI show. So that's like how market cycles tend to move. When the world's concerned about a specific aspect of an economy, that's the ones that really move the market. But I don't think people are that stressed about US unemployment at this point. So who knows? But I remember, like, particularly China. PMIs used to move markets like you've never seen. Now no one cares. Like, it would dead set gap 20 pips on every market just every time they'd release their PMI. And now, nothing. Or very little.
What else we see? Okay.
What do we got?
News in 5 minutes. Orange folder.
Foreign currency reserves. Okay. Could have a bit of movement. You just never know.
Market's gone very sideways, so...
Yeah, a little bit of chill out before open. People booking some profits, doing their thing. Yeah, stocks, commodities also chilling out. Probably, I would say, no trades for the next 5 minutes.
Come on.
Can't help
all
it,
in now. All in now and pray for a good London Open and you'll be rich.
Which trade was she going to take, Kaiser?
I don't know, pick the one that moves the most.
I reckon the best chance is AU or Caddy to do a breakout. So
nope. Your best chance is GU because it moves the most.
I'll but the breakout looks so much fun on AU or CAD.
Well, I reckon I'd short the shit out of everything on open.
Just
Pound,
short him.
euro, short, full lot, super stack, short.
Yep.
That's a joke for anybody watching. I don't really think anybody should do that. That would be silly.
Loading 100 lots now.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Spirit time's off for coffee. Says hello to Mum.
I haven't screamed in a while.
Hendrick, thanks, Cam. Even though the markets were weird, I still managed to get 18 pips. Hendrick, you're becoming the rock star of the channel, buddy. Congratulations. Eating pips for breakfast.
That's how to do it.
Congrats.
We need to invite Henrik up. Share his success story.
I don't think we should. Only because I think people that use their audience members to try and sell. We don't sell anything, by the way, but people that use their audience members, that's like not cool. If you ask me. Our audience members swear too much anyway.
Yeah, that's right. It's bad enough me and Cam being on here trying to hold ourselves back.
Well, Kaiser gets in pretty good form sometimes.
Oh, you can get on a roll.
And when and Casanova, when he's flying.
Yeah.
Get Cass talking about property. Get Cass talking about property prices. You'll hear him. They get censored pretty quick.
I lost 0.3 yesterday. Did 1% on Monday. 1% today.
Nice one.
Yeah, but yesterday's market was shit. So after like 2 or 3 trades, I got
Yesterday?
even.
Was that London session was good for us all yesterday? Were you talking
yesterday
New
was
York
shit.
or?
Yesterday was shit.
I wasn't.
It was
Am
Monday.
I
that
thinking
was
of the
good.
wrong day?
Yeah, today's only Wednesday. It's Thursday, sorry.
No,
Oh,
today's
damn.
Thursday, yeah.
What was I doing? Let me see my trades for the week. God.
I thought we had a boomer yesterday in London. Maybe I've been taking Casanova's meds. If I'm wrong here.
I didn't get much yesterday, I remember.
All right, everybody ready to full stack short? 17 seconds till the market tanks. 50 pips. This is not financial advice. Past and future performance is not indicative of future performance.
I should
And
go
the
back to
Please don't play your
60
account.
I should go back to full risk instead of half risk.
Yeah.
Right, tomorrow onwards I'm going back to full risk.
So seriously, yesterday, how did we go? I'm certain we had good sessions. Were you on yesterday, Pepe?
Yeah, I was here. It was, I think it was a little bit slow yesterday.
Yeah,
Oh, was
slow,
it?
I remember.
Yeah.
Oh,
The day before when we were
The
live,
day
it was
before
good. Yeah.
we had good trades.
Because yesterday was no stream, and then the day before was stream. Stream was good. Yesterday's no stream was a little bit flat. Not very many pips coming out of it.
oh, well, there you go. I must have.
Too much colours.
Oh, I know what it
Oh, I
is.
shut off
Yes.
early. That's right. I had to leave at 7. And it was very plain up to that point.
Yesterday, I took the CAD back up to the fix. That's why I thought it was good. But I did that after stream. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's all come back to me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 100 lots euro playing out.
Yeah. Told everybody to full stack short the euro. Buy me a coffee. That's a joke, everybody.
Send us your website. Onlyfans.com.
Yeah.
Sure you want to see me on OnlyFans?
I've
No,
already
buddy.
seen it. It's not that bad.
Thanks for the compliment.
I, I think we are in the stream.
Hey?
No, I'm saying that we are in a stream.
Are you
Henrik,
trying to
is that you or
moderate
Lionel
us,
Messi?
Andrew? Sorry, okay. What were you saying, buddy?
Henrik, is that Lionel Messi on your profile pic, or do you look like Lionel Messi?
He's got a celeb
It looks
crush.
like Lionel Messi, that's him. But is that you on your profile pic?
He says, no, I'm way taller and better looking.
Oh, that's him. That's him.
Oh,
He
no,
looks
it
like
is him.
It is him. Guys, check it out. It looks like Lionel Messi. Or maybe a more
Messi.
handsome version of it.
Hendrik, we may have to change your profile name.
Dude, I'm not kidding. Nah, I'm a Ronaldo fan. Sorry.
Silent TZ. What are you
Yeah.
showing us here, buddy? Oh, yeah, nice one. I was at the new indicator with the fixes and stuff.
Is that a wick? What chart is that?
Oh, Bitcoin.
It's a Bitcoin.
Oh, I was going to
Bitcoin.
say, it looks like a giant wick. I'm like, yeah. Yep, that'll explain why there's a giant wick there.
All right, let's refocus here. What do we got? DAX coming off. Bit of a wick on the US 30.
Buy set up on
Pound
pound.
saying faking everyone out.
Mm.
Euro's doing the same. Copper's flying. Oil's stuck. Swissy's off to its London fix. So does that mean our good friend the Euro's up to its London fix? For those watching at home, that would mean we're targeting a price of about 107.9. It's about 8-9 pips from here. And 12593 on the pound. About another 8 or 9 pips. See if we can get there.
Good morning, L.
See how much grief it's going to cause before it gets there.
I'm long pound.
Hey, El. Hey, buddy, just to let you know we're live streaming tonight. In case you start telling us any of your freaky stories. All right, stock's rolling over. Could be a fake out. Don't know. Swissy bounced off the fix. Was silent, so I'm assuming people are in trades here.
Yeah, I called it. Sorry, pound long.
Oh, okay. US dollars, US stocks coming off a little bit now, probably going back to the zero line. That's not good. I'll be cautious, everybody.
Yeah.
Six minutes into open. Okay, rejection for copper. Be good to see the Swissy really fall off. That would lock out everybody's positions.
Oh, that's not what I wanted.
All right, US 30 is about to hit the zero line. 4 pips away, 2. Markets won't like that if it goes next.
$100 pip shot for the win. Sorry, 100 lot.
What do we think? Is it going to turn over?
We're definitely going to go sideways for a bit. I don't know if we're going to do a full turnover, but we're definitely going to have a decent.
Mahendra, what do you think? Mahendra, are you there? We need the human indicator to give us his view.
No comments.
Tell us what you think, oh wise one.
About which one?
What's going to happen? Is the market going to roll over, or
Yeah.
we want your assessment?
So, as per my indication, as I said before, still in my point of view, it's complete in a messy market. So, if we look at the US 500 oil and the gold, they're up bit. But if you look at the FTSE, it's pushing down. DEX and CAC are trying to push up, but due to the open, it's pushing down. So, as per my understanding, we are in a risk on mode, but still need another confirmation. I know most of the people take the trades, but I'm a bit late.
Fair enough. The Oracle of India.
So from India. So still we have a gap in the copper. So be mind of it. At the same time, oil also have a small gap. It's like the old gap. Maybe we can expect some shorts as well. This is from India, so you guys, I know most of the guys already hit the 20 pips. So I still hold myself to get A+ setups.
Yeah, no, I'm not asking. I'm asking because we respect your opinion, buddy. You're very disciplined man. No. When we're getting a bit sloppy and going, I should be right to short the shit out of everything. That's why we need the Oracle of India to come and keep us straight. That's all I'm saying. I think we're rolling.
Rolling in the deep.
There's a good chance of it. I think those moves were a little bit aggressive for the background. That's what I was saying earlier. Equities and even commodities don't really support that type of push in my mind.
Yep. As we know, I'm waiting for the breaks of the low. The price is very strong, so I think we can expect another 10 to 15 minutes. Any kind of setup.
Cool. Copper's pumping again.
George said he was with Mahindra, took no trades today. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Weakness creeping in equities now. So that just as they start pushing. Anyone on the stream, we're probably all in trades given the silence. Apologise. Sometimes we get quiet when we're in a trade.
Concentration.
Stock's selling off a little bit now again.
on, do a full reversal. Let's watch a fun day.
Lower full reversal. I just took a sneaky short on the Aussie. I've got one at break even at the top of this candle. That's why I was very quiet. See if we can come back down to the fixed.
If we can, pound is wounded gazelle right now because Euro's starting to lead the charge. Let's see if we can make this one work on the down, break the bar.
We've got to break this 65.6 on the Aussie. It's been a bit of a cluster, that number, for a while. Good to push down on oil would be lovely as well. It is a risk-free trade, so best off to let it play. Now here's where I stop looking because otherwise I'll get out early. Let's do a quick read on the comments. Georgie G. Yep. George G didn't take any trades, listening to the Oracle of India. So nothing wrong with that, buddy. I do that often. Max says, looks like EU wants to go short to the close of the book after the long up move. That's a pretty good theory, buddy. NGU short, fighting for air. Cool, Mr. Pips. And how did I get in off the top? How did I get in off the top? All right, if I'm looking at the CAD is ripping up to its fix. It's actually over it. The Australian dollar is above its fix. Copper was starting to come off. Oil was in no man's land. And the pound Australian dollar was telling me that it wanted to go down. Also, stock. We've had a big move up, right? So this is a pretty big risk-on move in the session. Stocks aren't really joining the party. They're doing a Flav at the moment and not believing the hype. For those people, I'm showing my age, if you don't know who Flav is. So, yeah, it was basically a case of I can have a really, really tight stop and I can sit there and hopefully, if this continues on, I can have virtually no risk. And if I'm correct, and I probably won't be, but I've got no risk, I'll get 8 pips out of it. So that's kind of very, very short-term scalping. Oh, and I also dropped into the 1 minute as well, just to see the price action there. Ken's knows Flav. I'm getting pretty close to getting taken out here.
My TP's on the cards, taking out a pound.
For those playing along now, my stop. Oh man, I need to get some glasses, eh? It's getting ridiculous.
It's too small.
I'm seriously. I'm trying to just like pretend that I'm not getting older. I'm going to fight it forever until I'm blind.
Why Why
You
not?
hear me on stream calling ridiculous. All right, top. Everybody knows where my stop is, but my TP, I'm hoping it'll come back down to 65.55. So about another 7 pips from here. Don't jump in now. It's too late. The risk reward will be a little bit out of kilter. But we'll see how she goes.
Oh, come on, take it. Take the take profit. About to take profit on GU. Come on.
Guys, it's been a fun day watching the markets burn. Don't know. Sorry.
Are you in a
No, I'm
Sorry.
done. I'm done. I'm done for the day, so I just need some entertainment. I'm sorry.
You got in, you got your tips.
Oh, I can't let that.
I'm sorry for whoever's in trades, but yeah.
Come on.
Are you short the pound, Peppy?
Yeah, I'm short pound. Just playing with my TP at the moment. It's got to break through it. It's like literally spread is all I've missed it on at the moment. And the spread is like nothing. What's the spread? Yeah, 0.4. So it's literally missing take profit by 0.4. Euro's still pushing down, so I want it to take it. It's going to take it.
Take it, bro. What are you doing?
Being a dick for a tick.
I was a dick for a tick. Look at that.
In fact, I'm even going to take profit on my Aussie. It'll do me.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Reason being, it's almost dinner time. School holidays. I got hungry kids, and it's steak time.
Man, what do you have lined up for the week, man? It's like steak, lamb, steak, cutlets, steak.
Kaiser, I'm 6'8". I have two big strapping young sons.
Yeah,
if I sat
I know.
there and said, here's some tofu, boys, and some lettuce, I would then get thrown out of my own house.
Is that chicken on the menu or something else? Or pork?
Oh yeah, I do roast pork on the weekend sometimes. I'm thinking of doing butter chicken tomorrow night, in case you're concerned. But we like the red meat. We try and keep no processed foods, except for once or twice a week, and we just try and keep to meat and vegetables and salads. It's good for us. And a glass of wine.
But it's just like...
It's probably not so good for me.
But your glass is huge, man.
Mate, it's been the that's only Friday nights, by the way. That's when I'm going to have a meeting with you guys. I need a big glass. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a night. So thanks again. See you all tomorrow. Steak will be lovely, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Oh, don't forget, tomorrow we're doing the giveaway, guys. We've got a screenshot of who's in. Beautiful. All right, see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good one.